thing that we need is a microphone. Now, the one that you see on the screen, that goes with your laptop. The one that has the USB port. It has a USB to connect right into your computer. You can use your microphone for that. So think about that when you put together your channel. If you're going to be doing voiceover, there's a certain way that you can do it with different microphones. Nowadays, you really don't even have to have a fancy microphone for that. You could use the mic right on your phone these days. That would give you the quality that you need, but you want to make sure that you're not too close and not too far away. If you're too close, it'll start clipping. You want to make sure your volume is just right. Your volume is not too strong. As a matter of fact, I want to show you something. I'm going to put this on the screen. It's going to cover me up for a minute, but look at that. Right there, you can see it's in the yellow. If you turn it up too loud, you notice how it gets into the red zone, right? That's what you want to avoid. You don't want anything in that red zone, so make sure you check that. What you want to do is keep it right there in that yellow area, close to the red, but not bumping that red out. So keep that in mind when you take care of your microphone. If you decide to go with that mic, keep that in mind. Make sure you're not clipping, make it too long. And for many of us, we have our games together. We got our games together. We're doing our thing. Some of you watching this right now, you just want to get your mind right. Check out this video right here. 3 mindset methods every YouTuber needs to succeed. Check that video out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.